I'm Cassandra Belinsky for Investment Pitch Media. Thanks for joining us today. Western Exploration, a Nevada-focused gold and silver exploration company, has released additional assay results from the final 4 holes from its 2022 Phase 1 drill program at Doby George, Nevada. Doby George, one of 3 main mineral deposits at the company's 100% owned 6,000-hectare Aura gold-silver project, located approximately 120 kilometers or 75 miles north of the city of Elko, Nevada, is one of the highest-grade undeveloped open-pit heap leach resources in Nevada. It has a well-established infrastructure, including year-round accessibility by highway and county-maintained road and nearby access to water and electricity. The Aura project is located 32 kilometers north of the Jerritt Canyon mine, which has been in continual operation since 1981. The deposit is an outcropping high-grade sediment-hosted mineral deposit with multiple zones of mineralization identified by drilling in a 1.7 by 0.8 kilometer area. The zone of oxidation extends approximately 150 to 200 meters below surface, while limited deep drilling has encountered unoxidized gold mineralization at depths of over 600 meters below surface. The Phase 1 drill program, comprised of 9 large diameter core holes, was completed between July 26 and September 12, 2022. The drill holes, located at 8 different drill sites, totaled 1,138 meters. Highlights include hole 794 with intersections of 26.06 meters of 6.93 grams per ton gold and 12.34 meters of 4.57 grams per ton gold. Hole 795 with an intersection of 30.94 meters of 2.07 grams per ton gold, and hole 796 with an intersection of 16.76 meters of 2.12 grams per ton gold. Darcy Marood, CEO, has joined us today to discuss today's news and the company's plans for 2023. Welcome, Darcy.
Hello, Cassandra. Nice to be with you again today. So Western's very excited to announce our latest results from the Doby George drilling campaign, which was part of the Phase 1 drill program as recommended by our technical report. The highlight of the results certainly was that 26.6 meters of almost 7 grams per ton that we reported. It confirms our belief that we've always thought that Doby George was a much higher grade deposit than represented in the current resource estimate. Going forward, we're going to be using the core that we generated from our drill program to commence and complete by the end of Q2 a metallurgical test program that we'll then use to define a pre-feasibility study on Doby George going forward. In addition, this year, we're going to look to do additional drilling at Doby George, both in the unoxidized portion of the deposit, as well as the oxidized portion of the deposit. Given the results that we've seen to date, we believe that growing the deposit into the unoxidized portion will significantly expand the resource growth potential at the deposit. And knowing that we can process the sulfide material through the plan that we've got at Gravel Creek, we think that we have an opportunity to significantly grow the resource going forward. In addition, I would look for a new study that we'll be putting out in the short term on Gravel Creek, where we'll define the drill program going forward for 2023. We look forward to providing that to the market within the next quarter. So with that, thank you very much for your time. Greatly appreciate the opportunity to speak with you again.
Thank you, Darcy. The Aura project is unique in the junior mining space insofar as resources have been identified in 3 different deposits: Doby George, Gravel Creek, and Wood Gulch. The project is supported by a mineral resource technical report dated October 2021 showing 652,271 gold equivalent ounces in the indicated category and 665,357 gold equivalent ounces in the inferred category. Drill holes 794 and 795 were drilled in the Twilight Zone, which accounts for limited overall tonnage but locally exceptional gold grades. Both holes showed positive fire assay gold grade distribution when compared to the resource block model contained in the technical report, which is available on CDAR. Hole 796 was drilled in the West Ridge deposit to test the deepest portion of the deposit in an area modeled as mixed to unoxidized mineralization. There is good correlation with distribution of fire assay gold grades relative to the block model. Hole 797 was drilled to verify an isolated high-grade intercept located in the northeast part of the West Ridge deposit. The hole intersected only one narrow zone of greater than 1 gram per ton gold mineralization and is the only hole from the 2022 drill program that did not confirm block model grades. This area will be reevaluated with future drilling as it lies on a major structural trend. This table shows the results previously reported in October and December 2022. Homestake Mining Company initially discovered the Doby George deposit in the mid-1980s. Metallurgical test work completed on oxidized material by Homestake Mining and others has indicated favorable metallurgy for standard cyanide heap leach processing. Since that time, 836 drill holes have been completed, totaling 116,355 meters of drilling. This includes 83 drill holes totaling 23,760 meters that were drilled between 1998 and 2022 by Western Exploration, which has a 25-year history of advancing exploration projects in Nevada as a private company. The company is well-financed, having recent raised gross proceeds of approximately $1,140,000. The shares are trading at $1.90. For more information, please visit the company's website at westernexploration.com or contact Darcy Marood, CEO, at 775-329-8119 or by email at dmarood@westernexploration.com. Or for investor relations, contact Nicole Cowles at 775-240-4172 or by email at nicolecowles@westernexploration.com. I'm Cassandra Belinsky for Investment Pitch Media.